on to the dais. I request our Vice President, Dr. M. Rukamangada Naidu sir. Sir, kindly come on to the dais. I request our Honorable Secretary, Shri R. Leela Shankar Rao sir. Sir, kindly come on to the dais. I request our Chief Guest, Dr. Surendra Pal. Sir, kindly come on to the dais. I request our Guest of Honor, Dr. Narmun Chomyang ma'am. Kindly come on to the dais. I request our Principal sir to kindly come on to the dais. A very good morning to all of you present here. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of IEEE International Conference on Data Science for Cyber Physical System Resilience Using Advanced Applications, ICDCA 2026, hosted by KS School of Engineering and Management. Today's conference serves as a platform for bringing together researchers, scientists, academicians, industry professionals, and innovators to exchange ideas, present cutting-edge research, and discuss emerging trends in data science and cyber physical systems. We are truly delighted by your presence and thank you for joining us on this significant occasion. Every meaningful journey begins with a moment of reverence and gratitude. As we assemble today to inaugurate this prestigious conference and celebrate the spirit of knowledge, research, and innovation, we seek the blessing of Goddess Saraswati, the divine embodiment of wisdom, learning, and knowledge. May her grace inspire intellectual curiosity, foster meaningful exchange of ideas, and guide us forward toward excellence and discovery. I now invite Dr. Lakshmi B., Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, onto the stage to offer Saraswati Vandana and invoke the blessings of Goddess of Knowledge and Wisdom.
शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शारदे शङ्करसन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे शङ्करसन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे शङ्करसन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे सलहिन्नताये सामगानप्रिये शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शारदे करुणिसेम्माश्रुति गतिಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕರುಣಿಸೆಮ್ಮಶ್ರುತಿ ಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शारदे.
Thank you for the soulful invocation, ma'am. It is said that a warm welcome creates the foundation for meaningful collaboration and lasting memories. To formally welcome the gathering, I take great pleasure in inviting Professor Suresh Ramaswamy Reddy, Principal, Director, KS School of Engineering and Management, and Conference Chair of ICDCA 2026 to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable President of the Sangham, Sri R. Rajgopal Naidu, Honorable Secretary, Sri R. Lila Shankarao, respected Treasurer of the Sangham, Sri Nirajakshalu Naidu in his absentia, Honorable Office Bearers and Directors of Kammavari Sangham, Chief Guest of today's inaugural function, Dr. Surendra Pal, Deputy Director, ISRO, Bangalore, Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Professor Narumul Chumang, MCR University, Thailand, Professor Dilip Kumar, Principal, KSIT, Professor Suresh, Principal, KS Polytechnic, Professor Sangappa, PRO, Kammavari Sangham, Professor Sunil Kumar, PKS Degree College, dear professors and others from within and outside Karnataka, my esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to KS School of Engineering and Management. At the outset, my heartfelt appreciation to the Department of AIDS for initiating this conference. For those of you outside KS Group of Institutions, Kammavari Sangham was established in the year 1952 with the sole objective of providing charitable service to community and society. It is a multi-activity, non-profit, voluntary service organization. The Sangham firmly believes that only quality and meaningful education can lay strong foundation for bringing about economic and societal changes to the lives of the people. Keeping this ideology, the Sangham established renowned educational institutions since 1992. At present, there are 2 engineering colleges, 1 polytechnic college, 1 degree college, and 1 PUC college under its umbrella. It is also extending free hostel accommodation and scholarship to deserving candidates. Furthermore, the Sangham has established a modern hospital in Bangalore with the latest diagnostic and treatment services to serve the community. This conference, in association with IEEE Bangalore chapter, is an aligned forum dedicated to advancing research, innovation, and practical implementations in the field of data-driven cyber-physical systems. The conference brings together researchers, academicians, industry experts, and practitioners to discuss the state-of-the-art developments that enhance the resilience, security, reliability, and intelligence of cyber-physical infrastructures. It aims to bridge the gap between the theory and the real-world deployment of resilient cyber-physical systems. With this, it is my pleasure to welcome all the dignitaries for this inaugural function. On behalf of Kammavari Sangham and on behalf of KSSEM, warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal, Deputy Director, ISRO Bangalore, an eminent scientist and a professor. May I request our beloved President, Sri R. Rajgopal Naidu, to present a bouquet and welcome him. Thank you, sir. Our sincere gratitude to Professor Narumul Chumang, MCR University, Thailand, for having accepted our invitation and accepted to deliver the inaugural lecture. May I request our Honorable Secretary, Sri R. Leela Shankar Rao, to present a bouquet and welcome her. Thank you, sir. On behalf of KSSEM family, we extend a cordial welcome to our beloved President, Sri R. Rajgopal Naidu, to this function. I request Professor Balaji to hand over a bouquet and welcome him. We extend a cordial welcome to our Vice President, Dr. M. Rukmangada Naidu. May I request Professor Venkatrao to present a bouquet and welcome him. It's my pleasure to welcome our Honorable Secretary, Sri R. Leela Shankar Rao, to this function. May I request Professor Manjunath to present a bouquet and welcome our Secretary. So on behalf of KSSEM family, we extend a cordial welcome to Sri V. Rajendra Naidu, Joint Secretary, Kammavari Sangham. May I request Professor Senthil to present a bouquet and welcome him. We welcome Sri S. Venugopal Naidu, Joint Secretary, Kammavari Sangham. May I request Professor Senthil to present a bouquet and welcome him. So we welcome Sri Neerajakshalu Naidu, Treasurer, Kammavari Sangham, in his absentia. We welcome Sri G.V. Ramesh, Director, Kammavari Sangham. May I request Professor Bharat to welcome him with a bouquet. So on behalf of KSSEM family, we warmly welcome D. Jagdish Kumar, Chairman, Transport Committee, Kammavari Sangham. May I request Professor Swarna to present a bouquet and welcome him. So we welcome Sri T. N. Manjunath, Chairman, Environmental Committee, Kammavari Sangham. I request Professor Pavitra to welcome him with a bouquet. So we extend a cordial welcome to Sri V. Ramesh Kumar, Director, Kammavari Sangham. May I request Professor Arun Kumar to present a bouquet and welcome him. We extend a cordial welcome to Sri P. Prabhakar Naidu, Director, Kammavari Sangham. May I request Professor Ramesh Babu to present a bouquet and welcome him. We extend a cordial welcome to Professor Dilip Kumar, Principal, KSIT. I request Professor Venkatrao to present a bouquet and welcome him. So warm welcome to Professor Suresh, Principal, KS Polytechnic. I request Professor Senthil to welcome him with a bouquet. Cordial welcome to Professor Sangappa, PRO, Kammavari Sangham. I request Professor Senthil to present him a bouquet and welcome him. we extend a cordial welcome to Professor Sunil Kumar, Principal, KS Degree College. So I request Shiv Subramaniam to present a bouquet and welcome him. On behalf of KSSEM, it is our pleasure to welcome our colleagues, deans, heads, professors from our sister concern, KSIT. I request Professor Vinuta, Professor Swarna and Professor Pavana to welcome them with a flower bouquet. Okay. So on behalf of management and on my personal behalf, I extend a warm welcome to my pillars of strength, heads of various departments. May I request Professor Vinuta Madam to present a bouquet and welcome all the heads to this function. Warm welcome to all the delegates, and I hope you have a wonderful learning for the next 2 days. Thank you very much. Happy learning. God bless.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring welcome and for setting the tone for the prestigious conference. Now I extend a warm welcome to our principal. I request Dr. Balaji, sir, to welcome sir with a bouquet. I also extend a warm welcome to Dr. Manjunath TK, convener of ICDCA 2026 and head of the department AINDS. I request Dr. Senthil sir to welcome sir with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. A lamp does not merely illuminate a space, it illuminates minds, inspires wisdom, and symbolizes the eternal pursuit of knowledge. With this spirit, we now proceed to one of the most revered tradition of Indian culture, the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhanasampada, shatrubuddhi vinashaya, deepa jyoti namostute. A bow to the divine light of the lamp, which brings auspiciousness, well-being, prosperity, and dispels ignorance and negativity. May I now request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward for the lighting of the lamp. I request any two participants to kindly come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Thank you. As the lamp shines brightly before us, may it kindle in each one of us the spirit of enquiry, creativity, and excellence. Moving forward, research becomes truly meaningful when knowledge is shared with the global community. We shall now proceed with the release of IEEE ICDCA 2026 conference proceedings. May I request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly release the conference proceeding. Let us acknowledge this milestone with a round of applause. Thank you, sir. Every successful conference begins with a vision. To provide an overview of the conference, its objectives, themes, and significance, I invite Dr. Manjunath TK, convener of ICDCA 2026 and Professor and Head, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, onto the stage.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chief Guest Dr. Surendra Pal, Deputy Director and Program Director, ISRO Satellite Center, Bangalore. Honorable Guest of Honor and Keynote Speaker, Dr. Nirmal Chumang, Muban Chumang, Rajbari University, Thailand. Respected President of Kammavari Sangham, Sri Rajgopal Naidu, Honorable Secretary, Sri Leela Shankar Rao Sir, Treasurer, Sri T. Rajeshwar Naidu, in his absentia, distinguished dignitaries, session chairs, reviewers, researchers, faculty, students, and guests. A very warm good morning to all. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you to the International Conference on Data Science for Cyber Physical Systems Resilience using Advanced Applications, ICDCA 2026, hosted by Kammavari Sangham School of Engineering and Management, Bangalore, in association with IEEE Bangalore section. Today is a proud occasion as we bring together researchers, academicians, scientists, industry professionals, and students from across India and the world to share knowledge and explore emerging technologies. The theme of ICDCA 2026 is both timely and significant as the world grows increasingly interconnected through AI, machine learning, data science, and cyber physical infrastructures, ensuring resilience, security, adaptability has become one of the greatest technological challenges of our time. This conference addresses these challenges by uniting experts in AI, data analytics, cyber security, IoT, cloud computing, industrial automation, and cyber physical systems. ICDCA 26 received an overwhelming global response with the submission from 16 Indian states and 12 countries, including the USA, China, Philippines, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Key conference statistics: total paper received 2,743, desk rejected 1,632, review 1,012. We included 552 reviewers. Overall paper accepted and registered is 254. Technical tracks we have 32. The review process was conducted with utmost transparency and rigor. The 254 accepted papers represent cutting edge research across AI, cyber security, IoT, healthcare, industrial automations, blockchains, and other emerging technologies. I extend Heartfelt gratitude all the authors, reviewers, technical program committee members, track chairs, and the editorial team for maintaining the highest quality standards. We are deeply honored to have Chief Guest Dr. Surendra Pal, an outstanding scientist, former Deputy Director of ISRO, and distinguished contributor to India's satellite communications and navigation program. We are equally privileged to welcome Dr. Narumal Chumang from Thailand, internationally recognized researcher in information technology and digital media. I sincerely thank the management of Kammavari Sangham for their unwavering support in promoting academic excellence and global collaborations. KSSEM, as always, believes that education must extend beyond classrooms, and ICDCA 2026 is a true reflection of our vision to impart quality education through holistic learning and research. The success of this conference is a result of collective efforts of our management, organizing committee, faculties, student volunteers, reviewers, authors, and sponsors. I formally declare ICDCA 2006 open and invite all the participants to engage with the domain experts, forge research collaborations, and make the most of this global platform. I am confident that the knowledge exchanged here will contributing significantly to building intelligent, secure, and resilient cyber physical systems for the benefit of industry, academia, and society. I once again thank all the dignitaries, delegates, and participants for gracing this occasion, wishing everyone a fruitful and inspiring conference experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for outlining the vision and scope of this international conference. Today, we are privileged to have with us Dr. Surendra Pal, Deputy Director, Digital and Communication Area, ISRO Satellite Center, a distinguished personality whose contributions have significantly advanced India's technological and scientific landscape. To introduce our esteemed chief guest, I invite Mrs. Rajashri Ingale, Assistant Professor, Department of AIDS.
And Deputy Director, and also as the Program Director of the Satellite Navigation Program at the ISRO Satellite Center, Bengaluru. Dr. Paul began his remarkable professional journey with the Indian Space Research Organization in 1971, following a brief tenure at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. From the very inception of the ISRO Satellite Center, he played a pioneering role in establishing antenna and microengineering activities, laying a strong technological foundation for India's satellite communication capabilities. Over the course of his illustrious career, Dr. Paul has been instrumental in the development and fabrication of spacecraft telecommunication systems for virtually all Indian satellites, beginning with the Aryabhatta, India's first satellite, and continuing through the IRS and INSAT series. His contributions have significantly strengthened India's position in space technology and satellite communications. His expertise has been sought internationally. He has served as a consultant to ICO, United Kingdom, for LEOSat definitions and the development of satellite handheld telephone antenna systems, to the International Telecommunication Union for defining the regional African satellite communication system. He also chaired the Information Infrastructure Working Group of the Ministry of Information Technology, Government of India. Dr. Paul has been at the forefront of India's satellite navigation initiatives, spearheading the development of the Indian satellite-based wide area augmentation system and Indian satellite navigation activities for civil aviation applications. His global image is reflected in his role as a member of the United Nations panel of experts on global navigation satellite systems. A highly respected member of the scientific community, Dr. Paul is a distinguished fellow of IEEE, a fellow of the Indian National Academy of Engineering, a fellow of the Indian National Academy of Sciences, a fellow of IEEE, and a member of several other prestigious professional organizations. In recognition of his outstanding contributions, he has received numerous national and international honors, including the ISRO Performance Excellence Award, the Distinguished Achievement Award for the launch of Aryabhata, and the IEEE Third Millennium Medal. He is also the holder of several Indian, European, and international patents for his innovative contributions to science and technology. An accomplished researcher and academician, Dr. Pal has authored more than 170 research papers in reputed national and international journals, written a book on communications, guided a doctoral scholars, and served on the editorial boards of several technical journals. He continues to inspire future generations as a distinguished visiting professor of the Indian National Academy of Engineering. His areas of expertise include space communications, information technology, in electromagnetics, antennas, and satellite navigation, fields in which his pioneering work has left an enduring impact. It is our distinct pleasure to welcome a scientist whose contributions have helped shape India's journey in space technology and satellite communications. Please join me in extending a warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's now my privilege to invite our chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal, to address the gathering. I request you to kindly share your valuable insights, sir.
Good morning. Thank you, madam, for the nice and elaborate introduction. Dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, Namaskar-galu. I am thankful to Professor Suresh Ramasamy, the principal, for inviting me to participate in the 2 days international conference on data science for cyber physical systems, resilience using advanced applications. I think Dr. Manjunath has put it a big multivitamin tablet, and when I see the abstracts, I find a lot of medical papers are there in the abstracts. So you are really using the AI. Let me make also a statement that what we talk about, when Dr. Manjunath was talking about DL, ML, and blockchain and all those things, they are all subsets of, if you try Venn diagram, they are all subsets of AI. So I don't know whether we should separate them out. I think all the subjects should be put under AI. The topic of the conference is opportune, appropriate, pertinent, and well-timed under the present technological paradigm in the world, particularly in India. Well, many persons consider, when I go out, I, as a elected member of IEEE, administrative committee, I go out, I find, I would like to be excused to make this statement, that Indian Americans, understand, Indians who have become Americans, they treat us as a second-rate citizen. I always tell them that India has advanced a lot. When you left, India must have been struggling, but now we are quite advanced country. Although India is considered a developing country, it is not a developing country any longer. It's advanced in many spheres of technology like space, atomic energy. Recently, fast breeding reactor which has been activated in Kalpakam. I think we are the second or third country in the world who have done this one. So we are quite advanced in defense research, particularly the Operation Sindoor has shown it. We are also quite advanced in IT, and this conference is with respect and medical. We are a big name in IT with the recent emphasis on AI, DL and ML, increasing processing power of processors, miniaturization of devices, advancement in 5G, 6G communication technologies, optical communication, and on the horizon we find the quantum engineering, quantum communication, and quantum computing, along with the mass deployment of satellites in orbit, enabling internet facilities to every nook and corner of that we have done much better than, even better than the USA. You know, we always claim than US. I have not gone to China because Chinese has not given me visa because I was working in defense as well as in ISRO. So they did not give me visa. They put me under some restricted category. So evidenced by the widespread use of UPI and Aadhaar, that shows how we are conscious about the digital technology, and UPI has made a big name. You know, so enable services, digitization of business, highlighting the country's potential to lead innovations in these emerging fields. Data science and engineering is the multidisciplinary field that bridges data science, maths, statistics, machine learning. I was discussing with the vice president all these things. He's also it was a pleasant to see, talk to a this. I think how many 50, 60 years you are also educationist. Great thing. So I became an educationist after retirement. So data science engineering is the multidisciplinary field, as I talked, maths, statistics, and machine learning. Now tell me, how can we separate out this field? But maybe there are restrictions of the courses, etc. That's why we have to do it. I think we should put more emphasis on the mathematics. That's my experience, which we say with computer engineering, infrastructure, and system architecture too. It focuses on building the pipeline, algorithms, and scalable systems required to extract from massive databases, data sets, which is the fuel for AI. We divide the fields in data engineering with core tools like SQL, Python, etc., and data science focuses on the analysis and intelligence. Well, before I proceed with the topic, I am reminded of a statement made by W. Edwards Deming. If God if we trust, all others must bring and trust in data. Because data is increasing so much, we heard a couple of years back, we used to hear a big name, big data, okay? Because they say trillions of bytes and bits, etc. But we don't hear it because we have assumed it will exist. Okay. There is another joke which I would like to tell you about data and AI and ML. It exists every part of our life. It influences every sphere of our life. There is a small joke in Aryabhatta days when satellite we made it. When TFR professor used to talk that I'm not convincing or any brand, but he used to say that when morning we get up, we take the tea or coffee. It's made by Tatas. Sugar, it's Tatas. Oil, Tatas. Soap, Tatas. Hair oil, Tatas. Okay. And if you take, now we buy things, dal, etc. They are all by Tatas. If you get into a bus, it's Tatas. At the time, there used to be alarm clock, which used to be made by Tatas steel. Railways by Tatas. Your cars are being made by Tatas. What has not been made by Tatas is shoes, which are made by Bata. So, if we talk about today's paradigm and today's everywhere data science is there, everywhere AI is there. So, in my opinion, I think computational things, AI, data, deep learning, data, and digital. Okay. Now, like computer. Even in law, I was going to my advocate and he was sitting with the computer and all those things. Internet he was going through. Even there also he uses the AI and the thing. With Chat GPT, his life becomes very easy. But I'm somehow not impressed by the Chat GPT. Okay. Now, these two jokes which I talked about it, they aptly reflects the world we live in today. We use data engineering, data science in one form or another in every aspect of our daily life. Be a rich person or a daily wage earner. Modern physical systems are increasingly evolved into cyber physical systems, which we are talking in this conference, leveraging information technology, data-driven methodologies, and advanced AI, ML, and DL techniques to enhance efficiency, intelligence, and automation. It is therefore natural that concerns regarding the resilience and security of cyber physical systems supporting critical infrastructure are growing. Cyber physical systems integrate sensing, control, networking into physical objects and critical services, enabling the connections, monitoring, and operationalization of traditional infrastructure. And traditional infrastructure, if you talk about it, everyone will understand the smart grid. Okay, I mean, we are talking about smart cities, but that does not progress so well. But a smart grid has progressed. When in 70s we used to hear southern grid is tripped, northern grid is tripped, so there is no power. Do you hear now anything? They are all synchronized, well synchronized, and that's because of this AI which was inbuilt in that one. No doubt these advancements improve efficiency, ensure better system performance. However, they also introduce new threats, particularly in the form of software-based attacks. This leads to cyber threats which could modify data, operation results which were believed to be responsible for causing substantial damage to Iran's nuclear power in 2009-10. Nuclear program at Natanz when it was installed in their computers for the first time in 2009. See, they were not connected with internet. As if the conventional telemetry should come, but the speed of the concentrator was increasing, revolutionary speed, and everything went fat. So they destroyed it. Nobody took the responsibility, but it's assumed that it was done by Israelis and Americans together. And it was, what happened is, it's not only the Iranians got affected, 200,000 more computers got affected at that time. In 2009, we were not talking about AI, DL, or ML. That is a very recent phenomenon. So, but the things started, cyber security becomes important at that time itself. Another example is in the recent war of, America, Israel, and Iran. Some of the missiles were changed their course and they attacked themselves itself. So it has not come, it has come only in some few magazines. So that also shows that how much cyber security has become important in every sphere of life. Well, cyber resilience refers to the ability of cyber physical systems to prepare for, absorb, recover from, mitigate, adapt to the circumvent adverse effects of cyber threats, including those that may lead to physical degradation of systems, consequently reduce CPS performance. Cyber resilience aims to ensure CPS survival. CPS is cyber physical systems by keeping the core functionalities of the CSP in case of extreme unlikely events. The physical processes are controlled by CPS that integrates IT, processors, sensors, networking resources, actuators, controllers into physical environments. The total system needs to be resilient, and this becomes very important. When we have got thousands of satellites into orbit, Elon Musk has put something like 4,000 odd satellites. Even India is planning to put the satellites. Can you control the satellites? What we used to control in Aryabhatta or IRS days. Now everything is controlled by program. There is autonomous, satellites are autonomous, they do everything. If I put a worm there, it can destroy the total system. And our total communication system, business, even our scientific systems, even operations which are doing on through remotely depend on the satellite communication. So you see, those whole system have to be very resilient that way. The total system needs to be resilient. This necessitates the adoption of advanced algorithms, techniques, mathematical modeling, and artificial intelligence. Of course, machine learning and deep learning becomes part and parcel of it. and the digitization of business becomes part and parcel of it. So we have to be very careful about it. Well, we should learn DL, ML as a subset of a blockchain, a subset of AI, and along with the extensive use of digital twins. That's the latest thing. See, when we make a, suppose I make a satellite or make a rocket, earlier we used to make a model of it. Now we make a digital twin as it is. With the digital twin, we try to insert what could be the failure modes. See, we don't talk much of about successes. We try to find out how it could affect the failures, and that's where in digital twins AI uses. Edge computing, real-time analytics, predictive maintenance, intelligent automation, and these technologies are increasingly being applied and proven effectively in modern cyber physical systems for detecting cyber attacks, preventing machine failures, ensuring smart grid stability, enhancing autonomous vehicle safety, enabling smart cities. In this context, data science plays a critical role through anomaly detection, predictive analysis, optimization, forecasting, and sensor data fusion using AI-driven methods. So, can we separate out data science? We can't separate out data science with the total domain. I am sure that in the next 2 days you will develop and share more meaningful ideas to contribute in this area. I'll also give you another joke. We used to talk, one of our colleagues was talking about artificial intelligence in late 90s and you can say early 90s also, because processors were introduced, 8085 and all those processors were introduced trying to put the digital systems in satellites. So we used to make a fun of that person, that since you don't have natural intelligence, you are going for artificial intelligence. And today artificial intelligence has become most important, and I'm proud that such a big conference is taking place. I'm sure the participants will get benefited by this. I wish the conference a great success. Thank you very much.
Sir, your remarkable contribution and vast experience continue to inspire the academic and research community. We are honored by your presence. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights and experience with us. Your thoughts have been truly inspiring and will serve as a source of motivation for everyone. We are equally honored to have among us our distinguished academician and researcher as our guest of honor, Dr. Narumon Chumyang. To introduce our guest of honor, I invite Mrs. Geeta P.S., Assistant Professor, Department of AIDS, onto the stage.
Good morning, everyone. It's my great pleasure and privilege to introduce our esteemed guest, Dr. Narumol Chumyang from Muban Chombieng University, Thailand. Dr. Narumon is an accomplished academic researcher and administrator, currently serving in the Department of Digital Media Technology as Faculty of Industrial Technology. She earned her PhD in Information Technology from King Mongkut University of Technology, North Bangkok, and holds a master's degree in Educational Technology from the same institution. As part of her international academic exposure, Dr. Narumon was a visiting scholar at the Department of Artificial Intelligence, University of Groningen, where she broadened her expertise in emerging technologies and artificial intelligence. Her research interests span artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, multimedia technology, pattern recognition, educational technology, and digital innovation. She has authored and co-authored more than 100 research publications in reputed international journals and conference proceedings, and has made significant contributions to advancing technology-driven solutions in education, healthcare, agriculture, and smart systems. Dr. Narumon served as a director of the Research and Development Institute at Muban Chombieng University from 2020 to 2023, where she played a key role in promoting research excellence, innovation, and international collaboration. She also serves as editor-in-chief of the Science, Technology, and Innovation Journal, contributing to the dissemination of quality research worldwide. Her outstanding academic achievements, leadership in research, and dedication to innovation have earned her recognition both nationally and internationally. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Normal Chumyang.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my honor to invite Dr. Narmoon, our esteemed guest of honor, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone, distinguished guests, respect professor, researcher, student, and all participants. It is a great honor and pleasure to be here today in ICDA 2026 in Bangalore. First of all, I would like to express my sincere application to the organized committee and KS School of Engineering and Management for the kind invitation and warm welcome. I'm truly delighted to join this wonder gathering of researcher and innovation and from different country and discipline. ICDA 2026 is more than just a conference. It is a place where idea meet opportunity, where research meet real-world application, and where collaboration begin. Events like these help us learn from one another, exchange experience, and work together to create solutions that can positively impact society. Today, technology such as AI, data science, and cyber physical systems are rapidly transforming the way we live, learn, and work. As researcher and educator, we have a shared responsibility to ensure that these technology are developed and applied for benefit of humanity. I am confident that the presentation, discussion, and interaction throughout this conference will inspire new ideas, strengthen international collaboration, and open doors to future innovations. I would like to congratulate the organizer for their dedication and hard work in making this event possible. And I wish all participants a productive, enjoyable, and successful conference. Thank you very much for your attention. May ICDA 2026 be a memorable platform for learning, collaboration, and friendship among of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring address and for sharing your valuable insights with us. Your thoughts on research, innovation, and academic collaboration have been both enlightening and motivating. We are honored and grateful for the time you have taken to share your knowledge and experience with us. It is now our privilege to express our heartfelt gratitude to the distinguished guests whose presence and contributions have greatly enriched this occasion. May I request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly felicitate our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal, as a token of our sincere appreciation and respect. I invite Dr. Pal to kindly come forward and receive this gesture of gratitude. Thank you, sir. Moving forward, we are equally delighted to honor our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Narumun Chumiyang. May I request Dr. Narumun to kindly come forward and receive a token of gratitude and appreciation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Leadership inspires institutions to strive for excellence.
It's now my privilege to invite Shri Rajagopala Naidu, President Kammavari Sangham, a distinguished leader and a strong advocate of educational excellence, to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning, everyone of you for this function. Today's our chief guest, Dr. Surendra Paul, Deputy Director, Digital and Communications, ISRO, Satellite Center, and another chief guest of today's chief guest of honor of today's function, Dr. Nirmal Chumyang, the University of Thailand, and our Vice President, Mr. Dr. M. Naidu, and our Honorable Secretary, Mr. Leela Shankar, and our Joint Secretary, V. Rajendra Naidu, and Sri S. Venugopal Naidu, and D. Jagdish Kumar, Chairman Transport Committee, Sri T. N. Mangaran, Chairman Development Committee, and also G. V. Srinivas, Director, G. V. Ramesh, Director, Sri V. Ramesh Kumar, Director, Mr. Prabhakar, the Director, and also our Principal, Professor Suresh Ramaswamy Reddy, the KSSEM Principal and Director, and our Convener, ICDCA 2026, HOD, Department of AI and DS, Dr. Manjunath TK, and our KSGI Principal, Mr. Dilip Kumar, and our Suresh Kumar of Polytechnic Principal, and also Sunil Kumar of Degree College, and the associates for the Manjunath, Dr. Manjunath and his colleagues and friends, and all the participants, dignitaries who came all over India and Karnataka and also the Bangalore city. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the International Conference on Data Sciences and Cyber Physical Systems Reliance Using Advanced Applications, ICDCA 26, organized by the K School of Engineering and Management. On behalf of the management of Kammavari Sangham Group of Institutions, I extend a warm welcome to all our guests, authors, reviewers, industry experts, academicians, and student participants who have gathered here from different parts of India and axis of world. Today we are proud to witness ICDCA 2026 emerging as truly international platform for knowledge sharing, research, collaboration. The overwhelming response received from researchers across India from several countries reflects the growing importance of
conference in the field of data science, artificial intelligence, cyber physical systems, and emerging technologies. I am delighted to share that researchers and authors from countries such as China and United States of America, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, the Philippines, and several other nations have contributed their valuable research work to this conference. This global participation demonstrates the international research and academic excellence in ICDCA 2026. The conference received more than 2,700 research papers submissions, which is a remarkable achievement. After religious review progress, only the most deserving papers are selected, maintaining the high standards and quality expected from the IEEE International Conference. At KS School of Engineering and Management, we strongly believe that research and innovation are the driving forces behind societal and technological progress. Conferences such as ICDCA provide an excellent platform for exchanging ideas, presenting innovation solutions, and building collaborations that can address real-world challenges. I congratulate the organizing committee, advisory board members, reviewers, faculty coordinators, volunteers, and all stakeholders whose hard work and dedication have made this conference possible. I also extend my sincere gratitude to our keynote speakers and distinguished guests who have graciously accepted our invitation and are here to share their experience and insights. I am confident that the technical sessions, keynote talks, and discussions over these 2 days will inspire new ideas, foster meaningful collaborations, and contribute significantly to the advancement of research and innovation. I wish ICDCA 2026 a grand success and hope that every participant gains valuable knowledge, networking opportunities, and memorable experiences from this conference. See, today we are very happy on behalf of the Management Committee of the Kammavari Sangham. We should thank all the participants and congratulate them for having participated in this prestigious conference from all over the country and state of Karnataka and city. So we are very happy you are going to share, you are going to learn and make them learn others. The things which are all known is known, but unknown is we have to learn. See, exchange your knowledge with all your colleagues and friends, and let this conference will go on success for another 2 days. For having given me this opportunity, I thank you one and all. Jai Karnataka, Jai Kammavari Sangham.
Sir, your unwavering support and dedication towards nurturing academic institutions have been instrumental in shaping an environment that fosters learning, innovation, and holistic development. We are truly honored by your presence. Thank you for your visionary and encouraging message. Now it's my privilege to invite Shri R. Leela Shankar Rao, Honorary Secretary, Kammavari Sangham, whose unwavering support and vision have significantly contributed to the advancement of educational initiatives to address the gathering.
Namaste, one and all, the dignitaries on the dais, of the dais. And very good morning to one and all present here. Today we have our chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal from ISRO. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. And we are very happy to see you here because he was the colleague of our great leader, Abdul Kalam. We are very proud to you, sir. Our guest of honor, Dr. Narumal Chumang from Thailand. Our President, Mr. Sri Rajagopal Naidu, and our Vice President, and all my management committee members, thank you for coming here. And our principal, Director Professor Suresh Ramaswamy Reddy, Conference Convener Dr. Manjunath TK, all the researchers and delegates, and our dear students and faculties. Once again, I would like to welcome you all of this international conference. I am very happy and proud to speak at this event on behalf of Kammavari Sangham. Since 1952, our Sangham has always believed the education and knowledge are the best things we can give to our society. Today, seeing this international conference happen at our KSSEM, I feel that belief has truly paid off. We live in a world where computers and machines are connected to everything around us. Our hospitals, power supplies, roads, and water systems, these are all called cyber physical systems because so many people depend on them every day. It is very important that these systems are strong, safe, and do not fail. If they fail, it does not just cause a technical problem. It affects real people's lives. That is exactly why the topic of this conference, using data science to make these systems more reliable, is so important right now. I congratulate Dr. Manjunath TK and his team for picking such a meaningful topic and for organizing this conference so well. We are truly honored that Dr. Surendra Pal from ISRO is our chief guest. He works involves space technology and critical systems, which connects perfectly with the theme of this conference. We also warmly welcome to Dr. Normal Chung from Thailand. Her presence reminds us that solving big problems requires people from different countries to come from together to share with their knowledge. Yeah, madam, thank you. Thank you for accepting our invitation. And India and Thailand both are very close relationship between the lifestyle and culture, and they are also believing ancestors and God. We are also believing the ancestors and gods. Anciently, some more than hundreds or thousands years back, it is in part in Akhand Bharata. Thailand is not separate country, that was time. It is in part of Akhand Bharata. We thank the IEEE Bangalore sections for supporting this conference. Their involvement shows that KSSEM is doing serious and respected academic work. To all the researchers presenting their work here, please share your ideas openly, ask questions, talk to each other. Some of the best ideas and friendship come from informal conversations, not just for presentations. To all the students, please pay close attention during these 2 days. The research you will hear about here is shaping the future. You are not just watching. You are the ones who will build that future. Make the most of this opportunity. Kammavari Sangham will always support good education and research. We believe that what an institution leaves behind is not buildings. It is the knowledge and values it gives it to its students. I wish the conference great success. I hope everyone goes home with new knowledge, new friends, and new energy to do good work. And today is the World Environment Day. I request that everyone, not only today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, please plant each plant for our future generation. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words and unwavering support. We are truly honored to have you here. As we come to the conclusion of the inaugural ceremony, it's time to acknowledge all those whose efforts have made this event possible. I invite Dr. Vinuta SV, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very pleasant good afternoon to one and all. As we come to the close of this inaugural session, it's my proud privilege and honor to propose vote of thanks.
I, Dr. Vinita, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics. On behalf of KS School of Engineering and Management, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, researchers, faculty members, students, and participants for gracing this occasion. This conference has provided an excellent platform for researchers, industry experts, and students to share their knowledge, research findings, and innovative ideas in the emerging domains of data science and cyber physical systems. At the outset, I extend our deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Surendra Pal, Deputy Director, Digital Communication Area, ISRO Satellite Center, for his gracious presence and delivering an inspiring address. Your remarkable insights, vast experience, and valuable guidance have greatly enriched this event and motivated all participants towards innovative research and technological advancement. We express our sincere and special thanks to our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Nirmal Chomang, Professor, MCR University, Thailand, who has traveled all the way from Thailand to be with us today. Your gracious presence had added international significance and great value to this conference. We truly appreciate your time, support, valuable association with ICDCA. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected President, Sri R. Rajagopal Naidu Kammavari Sangham, for his visionary leadership, constant encouragement, and unwavering support towards academic excellence and research-oriented initiatives. I extend sincere thanks to Sri R. Leela Shankar Rao, Honorable Secretary, Kammavari Sangham, for presiding over this function and for his continuous guidance, encouragement, and wholehearted support in organizing this international conference successfully. Our sincere appreciation also goes to Sri T. Neerajakshalu Naidu, Treasurer, Kammavari Sangham, for his valuable support and encouragement extended towards the successful conduct of ICDCA in his absentia. We sincerely thank Dr. N. Rukmangada Naidu, Vice President, for his constant encouragement and valuable support towards the successful organization of ICDCA. I also extend my sincere thanks to our respected members of the Management Committee, office bearers, and directors of Kammavari Sangham for their valuable guidance and continuous support in successful organizing this international conference. My heartfelt thanks to Professor Suresh Ramaswamy Reddy, Principal and Director, KSSEM, General Chair, ICDCA 2026, for his encouragement, leadership, and administrative support throughout the conference planning and execution. I express my sincere appreciation to Dr. Manjunath, convener of ICDCA 2026, for his dedicated efforts, meticulous planning, and unwavering commitment in making this conference a grand success. I also extend sincere appreciation to all the organizing chairs, that is HODs of all the departments, for their excellent coordination, planning, dedicated teamwork, and remarkable efforts in ensuring the smooth and successful organization of this event. I extend my gratitude to all the principals, HODs, and faculty of KSGI for their gracious presence. A special word of appreciation goes to all the authors, researchers, scholars, and delegates who have traveled from different institutions and places to share their knowledge and contribute to meaningful academic discussion. I also extend my gratitude to organizing committee members, session chairs, reviewers, faculty members, student, volunteers, technical teams, administrative staff, medium team, non-teaching and supporting staff members whose dedication and meticulous planning have made this conference a reality. As we embark on the technological sessions and scholarly deliberations ahead, many this conference serve as a platform for collaboration, innovation, and exchange of ideas that contribute to the advancement of science, technology, and society. With gratitude in our hearts and optimism for the days ahead, I once again thank each one of you for your presence and contribution. With sincere gratitude to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to this conference, I conclude my vote of thanks. Thank you all. Wishing everyone a productive and enriching conference.
With this, we officially come to the conclusion of the inaugural sermon of ICDCA 2026. However, the conference proceedings will be continued with insightful and enriching keynote address by Dr. Naramun, which promises to offer valuable perspective and thought-provoking insight. Before we proceed to the keynote session, we shall have an official group photo. May I request all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, our distinguished guests, members of organizing committee, participants, to kindly proceed to the area outside the seminar hall for the official group photo.